Hello everyone, I'm your favorite Ohafia teacher. So let's go. I'm currently walking home and it's very cold. Well, I just thought about it. Why not let's have a lesson right now? So I've been teaching us about the alphabets in Igbo, right? And if you've been following, you'll find that we stopped at letter G. And the fact that letter G has 4 sounds that it makes. G, hi, gui, right? Including gi, which is for the first single G. So let's take an example. What word would you have that has a single G? Gawa, go. That is Central Igbo. Or Hafia Yasi, gaje. And then we have GB. GB has B, boso, boso. Boso is what Central Igbo will say, bawoso, which is what? Run. And then we have he, which is GH. He is hosa, ihosale, ihosa FM kai. Do you understand what I said? Ihosale. That is GH. And then we have the last one, Gui, GW. Can you give me an answer in the comment section? Tell me, I'll have your people, Kairim, which words that have Gui? Okay, let me give you a clue just shortly before I go. Gwesa. Gwesa means what? Bring. Until I see you next time again. Catch you everyone and keep learning Ohafia with me. Bye.